Hi, it's Emily and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very casual vlog style video, and we're just going to be doing a cook with me, clean with me in the kitchen because one, my kitchen is a mess, and two, I'm hungry. So that's what today's video is going to be. I spent like 30 seconds on my hair because I was not going to fix my hair just to be at home, and like while I was fixing my hair, I just like scratched my forehead and I got a big red spot. Whatever. So the reason my kitchen is a disaster is because we've been in revival this week, and yesterday I ran to the store and I just like threw groceries on the table and I just put away the cold stuff, and I just had a couple of hours to hurry up and get ready for church. So I'm trying to beat the clock. I don't know if you can see, it is 12:26, and I'm gonna try to get this soup in the crock pot by 1 o'clock. So I need to clear a space over here so I can get started. So our revival diet has consisted of fast food and pizza. So that's why we're cooking today, because I'm sick of it. I hate fast food and I'm sick of pizza. So most of this is just trash. Let's get started. Okay, so I got the kitchen cleared off. It really wasn't dirty, like it was clean. Okay, so I got the kitchen cleaned off. It really wasn't dirty, it was just cluttered. Like I had just thrown so much stuff in here from like being in a revival the last couple days. So I just needed to clean it off. I am going to start off with this crock pot recipe that I found on Pinterest. What I'm gonna be doing is this crock pot zuppa Toscana. So this is like a copycat recipe from the soup from Olive Garden, and I've never tried this before, but you fix it and you put it in your crock pot. I'm gonna go ahead and fix it now so we can have it before church tonight instead of going through a drive-thru. So here we go. I'm gonna get all my ingredients and put them right here so I have everything. Okay, so we're gonna start out with a pan, and we are going to cook this Italian sausage. The recipe suggested that I get the hot spicy, but I don't like spicy stuff, so I just got regular Italian sausage. And we're going to brown this in the pan. I've got the sausage cooked, and now I'm supposed to add an onion, but I don't even have the onion cut yet. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this onion real fast and then put it in there. But I'm not real big on onions, so I'm not gonna use the whole onion, and my husband's not a big onion person either. Okay, that's gonna do for me. Turn the heat back on. I've also got to get these potatoes cut, so I need to peel those. while this is cooking. I always peel my potatoes on paper towels, then I can just pick it up and throw it away. In the recipe it called for garlic, but garlic makes me really sick, so I never add garlic to any of my recipes. But you can look this up on Pinterest and find it. So we're gonna go ahead and add the sausage and onions. Then we're gonna add the potatoes. Then it says to season with salt and pepper to taste. So I guess that's good. Okay, pour chicken broth on top. So it's supposed to be 4 cups. Okay, as I'm measuring this, I can tell that this is 4 cups. I gotta just pour the whole thing in here. Okay. 4 cups or just one of these. There should be enough broth to cover the tops of the potatoes. If there isn't, add up to 2 cups of water so potatoes are covered. No, I'm just gonna do 1 cup. Gently stir ingredients, cover crock pot and cook on low for 5 to 6 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours. Okay, so we go ahead and turn the crock pot on. And I'm gonna put it on high, and then the last 30 minutes is when I actually add the kale and the heavy whipping cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. Before I clean the kitchen and the dishes, I'm going to go ahead and fix myself lunch, because this is for dinner. So I can do all the dishes at once. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do for lunch. I found this at Target the other day. By the way, I've been loving Target. And I opened it yesterday and then realized I didn't have enough time to make it, so I put tape over it to seal it back. But it's this modern table Parmesan pesto complete protein pasta penne. So this pasta is made out of lentils, rice, and peas, and then it's also got vegetables in here, and it's got a pesto sauce. I thought this looked really good, so I'm gonna try it and see if it's good or not. And it just seemed like something that was really quick and easy, because Evan's gone at work, and so I'm not gonna fix like a huge lunch. Okay, so I'm gonna let this boil. Now that this is boiling, I'm going to stir this pasta in and reduce the heat to medium-high and cook for 11 to 13 minutes. Okay, so it has been 13 minutes and I think this is done. So I'm gonna turn the heat off. Then it says to drain the pasta and return it to the pot, and then add 1/4 cup of olive oil and 1/4 cup of water. This bag was included in the box and it's the sauce, so we're gonna add that. This is shredded Parmesan. Okay, here it is. I'm gonna try this. It smells really good, so I'm gonna try it and see if it's good. Everly's in here building a tower out of the toilet paper.
And it falls over. And that frog.
This is really good. I like this a lot. If you like this video, let me know in the comments down below, because I'll do another one of these videos where I actually cook, because I don't really consider this cooking because it's out of a package. So if you like this video, I'll do more like these where I cook, but I'll do like actual recipes. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and then I'm going to do the dishes and clean up when I'm done. So it's been 3 hours and I took a shower and washed my hair. That's why my hair's down now. This is what it looks like now. And it said to add 1 bunch of kale. And I actually did Walmart grocery pickup. And they didn't have kale. They had to give me a bag. It was like substituted. So I don't know how much a bunch is because it's in a bag. So I'm just gonna wing it and see. I feel like that looks pretty good. And let's see how much. 3/4 a cup of heavy whipping cream. There we go. And you're supposed to add the lid and cook it on high for 30 more minutes. It's been 30 minutes and this is finally done. I'm anxious to see how this tastes because I've never made it at home before. Here's what it looks like finished. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some Parmesan cheese on top. And let's try this. Obviously this is really hot because it just came out of the crock pot. Kind of scared. That's really good. I really like that. Yes, 10 out of 10 would recommend. So get on Pinterest and find this recipe. It's really good. I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below and let me know some other crockpot recipes because I feel like crockpot recipes are so easy and I'm like definitely looking for more for Sundays because I've been doing crockpot recipes every Sunday. So please, please help me out. If you're not already, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my new uploads. I upload new videos on Thursdays and Saturdays. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye. Bye.